This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome, students. In this video, we will be having a practice of past indefinite tense. You need to understand practice is very important. When you're learning new language, there are some challenges which most of the people face. First of all, what we try to do, we try to learn or we try to see and work around how can we learn accent of that particular language. See, the native accent is it's comparatively a tough job. On the other hand, what happens in different regions or different areas where the language is spoken, there are certain regional or local words or a set of vocabulary which is a bit difficult to get hold of. So however, when you are trying to learn a language, especially in this case English is a very comprehensive and very deep language. There are certain words which can describe the whole situation in just one word. So since we have gone through all 12 tenses, and the reason tenses have very vital and important role when it comes to learning English as a language, because it defines the time and it gives a clear indication when we speak about any situation or event, whether that has happened or that will happen or that's happening. So in order to communicate effectively and clearly what exactly are you trying to tell the other person, or if you're trying to communicate by writing, let's say, you need to make sure grammatically you are putting in and arranging the words in a way which are exactly conveying your message. So since we have covered present indefinite tense, now in this video we will be covering past indefinite tense. So let me give you a quick recap. The helping verb in past indefinite tense is did. This is the only helping verb in this tense. So now we will be starting with some sentences. He passed the examination. This is a positive sentence, and here in positive sentence, in past indefinite tense, in positive sentences we use second form of the verb. So I'll just mention here second form of the verb, and now we need to convert this into negative. So we'll say he did not pass the examination. Full stop. Now here, if you look at again, as I told you in earlier videos, if you have watched all of them, I kept repeating one thing, that you need to place and you need to keep in place not in between helping verb and verb. So here it is, he did not pass the examination. Let's convert this into interrogative. Did he pass the examination? Question mark. The best thing about past indefinite tense, this is my one of favorite tenses. I love it because it has only one helping verb, easy to understand, and it describes simple past in a very easy way. So let's have some more examples. They went to park. Now this is another example. It's a positive sentence and we need to convert this into negative. So we'll say they did not go to park. If you notice here, we are using with negative sentences and interrogative sentences, we're using first form of the verb. In past indefinite tense, for the positive sentences we use second form of the verb, and for the negative and interrogative we use first form of the verb. So let's finish this and I'll just write it down for you. The protocol to use verb, so it will be, did they go to park, question mark. Okay, so I'll write it down for you. That's going to be easy. So here we use second form of the verb. For the positive, here we're going to use first form of the verb, and the same we will be using for interrogative. Here also we'll be using the same one. So there you go. 1 second. Here you go. Okay, now let's have some more practice. Okay, we ate food. All right, so let's convert this into negative, and then of course we will convert this one into interrogative. We did not eat food. And now we'll start our interrogative sentence with helping verb. So it will be, did we eat food, question mark. And let's take another example. He ran. So I'm just going with very simple sentences. The reason being is I really want to make it sure you truly understand the whole concept, and then you can keep adding complexity, and I don't want to make it difficult for you at this level. So let's convert this positive sentence into negative. He did not run. And let's convert positive sentence into interrogative. Did he run, question mark. So that's how it would be. So let's have another example. She played football. Okay, she did not play football. Did she play football, question mark. So if you look at all of the sequence is the same, it's just you need to understand, and you need to have more vocabulary to come up with more sentences. So it rained. So let's convert this one into negative. It did not rain. Did it rain? Okay, so I went to shopping mall. I did not go to shopping mall. And the interrogative will be, did I go to shopping mall? See, this is how it is. So in this video we try to cover we try to have some practice in order to make sure you understand in a much better way. Secondly, we did recap the tense itself, so we have done with, I guess, more or less all pronouns. So it will be he, they, we, he, she, it. The only is missing is you, so let's use that one. You jumped. You did not jump. Did you jump, question mark. I just want to give you one more tip. During a video you might have seen a picture where it shows the right hand, and then it shows some details mentioned on the fingers. If you just go through that picture and just observe, it's very easy. once I'm going to finish this practice these practice videos, I will have a small video on that is equally important. I promise with you, if you truly understand and give attention while I'll be telling you about the details, I guarantee you will never forget tenses ever in your life again, and it will become piece of cake for you. So we're done for the practice for present for the past indefinite tense, and now we'll be now you need to do one thing. You need to practice yourself. Take some time out and see if you can practice, and see if you face any difficulty. Don't forget to don't get confused, and I hope it should be easy for you. Just watch the video again. You will have clear the guidelines and how to get done and to complete all the sentences. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video too. I will see you in next video. Thank you. Bye now. Happy learning. I will see you in next video. Till then, bye. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.